Hi everyone, I'm Crazy Dude Paul. I'm here with another review on another Telesin product. As I've said in the past, Telesin sent me these products to review, so not being paid for this, I'm just giving my honest opinion as to whether I think they're any good or not. And today it's a mini tripod. Most of their products, as I've found so far, have been very well made, and I think the same is said for this little fella here. Got a little wrist strap, or again a pocket, bit smaller obviously than the Insta360 one here, but that's a bullet time one. You've got extra height and things on that, but it's size, isn't it really? So the way this one works is you've got these little legs that ping out, okay, and it sits there like that. Obviously that ain't no good because what we haven't done is we haven't locked it, so there's a little locking thing on the bottom here, okay, which you can turn around and you can lock this off. So that's unlocked, and twist that round to there, that's now locked. What we can then do is take our camera, stick our camera onto here, okay, and you've then got a little camera tripod. Now it's not very strong, to be honest with you, it's good enough, it's fine for a little camera like this. Good for windy situations. This can blow over sometimes. This is lower to the ground, so there's less chance of that actually blowing over. One thing I will say is that if you're doing some 360 and you go into planet mode or anything like that, you will see this in the shop. So whatever software you're using, it's on your phone or you're using Snapseed or something like that, you just need to use your healing tool to just get rid of that. But yeah, it's not a lot I can say about it, to be honest with you. Tiny little tripod. Okay for a little camera, or even if you've got a little phone mount on it, you could put a phone on it, but yeah, not much more to it than that. Just helicopter it off, then lock it again, fold that down, and that's it. Not very big at all, so yeah, it's okay for what it is. And again, their products are not expensive. So yeah, I think it's quite a useful little thing to have in your camera bag. Especially, as I say, if you've got a windy day, it's lower down, it's not going to get blown over and you haven't got to worry about your lenses so much. So that's the little Telesin Mini tripod. Hope you found the review useful. I'm Crazy Dude Paul. You can follow me on #CrazyDudePaul on TikTok, or follow me on YouTube, or get some of my t-shirts at crazydudepaul.co.uk. Cheers guys, thanks a lot for watching, bye.